This is the brief on the 2021 GameStop short squeeze. So, back in 2021, this wild thing happened with GameStop stock. Basically, a huge online community, folks calling themselves apes, figured out that Wall Street was betting massively against companies like GameStop. Like, way more shares were being bet against than actually existed. It was this huge vulnerability. So they coordinated this massive buying spree to trigger what's called a short squeeze, essentially flipping the script on those big bets. Okay, first, this wasn't just random internet chaos. It actually got a huge boost from this financial analyst, Keith Gill. You might know him as Roaring Kitty online. He was publicly arguing that GameStop was genuinely undervalued, giving the whole thing some real legitimacy. And wow, did their collective buying pack a punch? It absolutely hammered institutional investors. We're talking hedge funds like Melvin Capital losing, get this, over $6.8 billion. That's like 53% of their entire value in January 2021 alone. Just staggering. Second, things got really intense when the popular trading app Robinhood, well, they suddenly stopped people from buying GameStop and other hot stocks. You could only sell. Their CEO later testified it was because the extreme trading swings meant they needed billions in cash collateral, like right now, which they didn't have. But here's the kicker. At the exact same time, that struggling hedge fund, Melvin, got this massive $2.75 billion emergency bailout from its Wall Street peers. So you can totally see why retail investors felt like the whole system was just rigged against them, right? Finally, this whole mess really exposed some weak spots in the market's plumbing. It actually sped up a big change to make stock settlements happen faster, called T+1 or next day settlement. The goal was to lower those huge cash demands that caused the trading halts in the first place. But even with that fix, guess what? The big financial firms are now using sophisticated AI to keep tabs on viral posts and online sentiment, trying to get ahead of the next retail wave. So yeah, the GameStop revolution proves social media can seriously move markets. But you better believe the system quickly learned how to absorb that shock and even find ways to monetize it.
Thanks for taking the time to listen. We hope you enjoyed this segment. If you would like to learn more, please check out episode 00B, Introduction to the Story of the Ape Army.